Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters. And today in the shop, we're installing our lowering springs on this Tesla Model Y. Let me give you a little intro of what's going on here. While we love the Model 3, Model Y, the gap that is between the top of the tire and the bottom of the fender is a little bit too large, and we love to put a lowering spring in there to close that gap. It's just a better look on these cars. We've got several options. So from the basics, we have just a lowering spring, and that's what this customer is getting. If you want to go a little further into it, we have coilover replacements, but we'll cover that in another video. For today, we're putting T-Sportline lowering springs in this Model Y, and we have a few options depending on which model you have. On the dual motor non-performance version, we've got a spring that lowers it 1 inch in the front, 1.25 inches in the back. And then on the performance variant for the Model Y, it lowers 3/4 of an inch in the front and rear because the car is already sitting lower than the non-performance version. And then on Juniper, we have a brand new set of springs specifically for the Juniper to do similar type lowering. Now, when you install these springs, a few things. At a minimum, you got to get an alignment because you're taking the suspension apart, putting it back in, and you're not going to get it lined back up. And honestly, when they come from the factory, sometimes they could use a fresh alignment. It's not usually perfectly aligned coming out of the factory. So get an alignment. And then when you lower these, we also recommend adding our adjustable camber links, which go in the back of this, and it's going to let you adjust the camber on those so that your tires wear evenly. All right, let's get this installation done, and then we're going to take it outside and finish up with a look once it's lowered. And there you have it. Check it out. This Model Y is put back together. We've got the lowering springs installed. We've lowered it 1 inch in the front, 1.25 inches in the back. This is a dual motor, not the performance version. And we have closed the gap up here and back here, and this thing looks great. It's gonna be tough to see with the shadows in this video, I understand that. And as we drive it, it's gonna settle in a little more too. These springs will take a slight set, so it'll drop just a little more and even out. And in a week or so, this is gonna look magnificent. Now, gotta go to the alignment shop, get the alignment done. We're gonna put the camber arm adjustments in the back and really dial this thing in. If you wanna go lower, we do have the full coilover adjustable setup where you replace the shock and spring combined, and you can set the height on the coilover adjustable setup. So I hope you guys like this. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out these parts at tsportline.com. Thanks, everybody.